Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys this natural makeup look I created to go to a baby shower. So if you're interested, just continue to watch. So I'm starting off with my Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Moisturizer. Now this is important, guys. You want to always make sure you're moisturizing your skin. This is what gives you that flawless makeup at the end. So whatever skin type you are, make sure you grab a moisturizer that is best suited for your skin type. So you don't want to skip the moisturizing step. Next, I'm going in with my imanileemariee's Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. And honestly, guys, I'm just focusing this in my T-zone. Everywhere else, I don't know, I've like developed pretty dry skin. I don't know. So the only thing that gets oily now is my nose and just the areas around it. So I like to just focus that there. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Blade & Shape Brow Pencil in the shade Black. And all I'm doing is just filling in my brows and really just shaping it together. I try to do as minimal work to my brows, guys. If you haven't been noticing in the past few videos, really just limit how I do it. So I just kind of fill in any sparse areas. My goal is to just always try and make sure that my brows are always well groomed. And then I just like to take the spoolie end and really fluff out the front area to make it as natural as possible. So now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer to just shape up my brows. And I am using a flat makeup brush to achieve this. So I just shaped up the brows, and then I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer brush, the Flawless concealer brush, and just blending that out. And the concealer I chose is about 2 or 3 shades lighter than my complexion. So this really just highlights the brow and gives you a nice sculpted brow finish. So again, I just blended that out, and then I also applied that concealer to my eyelids as well, just to kind of bring everything to a uniformed shade. I do have dark eyelids, so putting on that concealer really just helps to even out everything in the eye department. All right, so now we're moving on to foundation. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. Took some of that on the back of my hand, and we're just gonna apply it in dots all over the face. This is just gonna help me control how much of this product I'm putting on. So I focus more around my mouth area because I have some hyperpigmentation going on. And then I just went in with my BK Beauty brush. All the brushes I use, guys, will be listed in the description box below, but I took this brush just to blend out this foundation. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my skin is kind of suffering from like a reaction. It's a little bit darker than it normally is, so I love that this foundation really just evens everything out. This honestly, guys, has been my go-to foundation, all because it's a nice soft matte finish. I don't get that feeling of dryness with this foundation. It still has that hydrating effect, but it does also combat my oils and keeps me pretty matte throughout the day. So here I'm just taking the residue on that brush and just going over my nose area. Now I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution IRL Soft Matte Concealer, and we're just going to apply this to all the highlighted areas, mainly underneath the eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And you can see I brought that concealer up a little bit on my nose because I was really trying to contour my nose this day and just really give me a nice cute little button nose. But here I'm just blending out that concealer, starting with the edges and then working my way up underneath the eyes. And then just really blending out this concealer. And you also want to blend out the sides of your nose. Again, that is for the nose contour. And then you just want to marry everything together with the eyelids and just kind of blend everything together. So again, you guys can see it here. What I love about this foundation concealer is that it's my perfect undertone. It's not doing too much. It's not too much of a bright concealer, but it does enough to just give me that nice bright under eye. And it's super easy to blend out and it really just works with you. So this step is really a tedious step, guys. You just want to take your time with blending, and you just want to keep that concealer down that bridge of your nose. You don't want to bring it anywhere else but down the middle of your nose. All right, and then I took my foundation brush and just went over the edges to really bring everything together, no harsh line, and just really create that natural complexion. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Lifter Stick in the shade 75. I'm honestly using this only for my nose contour, guys. Like I said, I wanted a really nice, cute button nose contour today, so we focused on that today. And all I did was take my little angled brush to blend out that nose contour. So what you want to do is really just keep this on the sides of the nose, but not too far down, guys. It's honestly, it's a trick you have to learn. So you just want to keep it on the sides. Then you go back in with your concealer brush, as you can see here, to really blend out that harsh line. So you don't want to look like you drew on the nose. You want it to still look natural. All right, so now we're going in with some powder. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection powder. We're gonna take my little puff there, but before that, we're gonna blend out the concealer. This is such a major step, guys, because you don't want to set any lines, and then you can go in with your powder. And as you can see, this is not any type of brightening powder. It's supposed to be like a really skin-like powder that just really gives you a nice blurred look. So I love this powder. Again, just blend out that concealer before setting. Also did my eyelids as well. Literally everywhere you applied your concealer. All right, and then now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. And I just wanted a bit of brightness underneath the eye. So I just went in with this powder because it's a nice yellow powder to give me just a nice bit of brightness. I also applied it down the bridge of my nose and kind of left it there to really enhance the nose contour. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and we're just warming up the skin. I like to just focus this on my cheekbones. As you can see, it gives me a nice bronze warm look. So apply that to my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, all the typical areas you guys know by now. And then I just dusted off that powder and also dipped back into that bronzer to just set the cream contour that I used earlier. All right, now we're going in with the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer Baked Blush in the shade Berry Punch. Just add a bit of color to the skin, some blush. I love that this is such a subtle blush, perfect for a baby shower. And then I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. I did take my Ardell Wispies. You guys know by now, these are like my go-to lashes. So I just quickly popped these on. I do have a lash tutorial, guys, that I have on my channel. I will do an updated one eventually, but if you need a little pick-me-up, I do have one on my channel. So now I wanted to really enhance my eyes and kind of make them bigger. So I went in with a white pencil, so a white eye pencil, and just applied that to my waterline. And as you can see, what it does is really opens up the eyes. Whereas if you wear a black one, it's going to kind of shrink the eyes and make it a lot smaller. So I wanted to go for a more pop eye look, so I went with the white, and now I'm just going in with my mascara, my L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal mascara, and just apply that to my bottom and top lashes to just complete the eye look. Alright, now we're moving on to the lips. I just took my brown lip liner. Now guys, this lip liner is so short that I do not know the name of it. I want to say it's one of the beauty supply store lip pencils, but we just took a regular brown lip liner to outline the lips. And then I did go in with my YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss in the shade number 44 to just give me a nice baby doll lip. I really love how this lip combo came out, guys. It really complemented the look, and it was perfect for my baby shower. So now I'm going in with the Milani Make It Last Natural Finish Setting Spray, and this is just going to set everything in place. So that is about it, guys. Very natural, perfect for honestly any occasion if you want just a nice natural makeup look. It's still a full face, but natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.